Good morning. It is currently 9 in the morning. It's not that early, but it feels early to me because I don't really sleep that well at night. But I thought I would take you guys along getting ready with me. I'm trying out some new kind of fashion things. I thought I would take you guys along with me, even though like you might not want to come along with me, which is fine. I just got a new top in the mail and I'm really excited to try to style it, especially since it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, a lot out of what I would wear day to day. So I thought that maybe I can make a video out of trying to like dress this interesting style. I don't know. Let's just get started because I am tired. So I think I'm gonna do something with these black jeans, a white turtleneck, and then the top over top. Don't know if that's gonna work out, so let's find out. I'm actually like really feeling this outfit right now. It's really cute. I could have gone with an iron and fixed my shirt a little probably, but I think like overall it's pretty nice. It's definitely not something I would normally wear, but like I really don't hate it at all, especially like with the rib detailing here. Like I don't know, it just is so cute. I've been trying to like have this kind of like aesthetic look for like a while. Okay, I'm gonna start doing my makeup in a second, but I'm just gonna add this key necklace that I bought from a local shop. If I could find it, it's called Shop True Metal. I'll add their Instagram in the bio or in my video bio, but I just thought that this would be cute for the vibe. Now I'm gonna fix my ponytail. Ponytail is fixed, and now I'm going to start doing my makeup. Chapstick on. This is just what the finished look. This is my finished makeup look. I don't know, I screwed up this eyeliner, but yeah. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a little bit, and I'm gonna wear this throughout the day. I'm gonna go for a walk. It's snowing out, so it's not like people will actually be able to see my outfit, but I'll see if I get any reactions to it. I thought I would also walk you guys through a little bit of my day. Anyways, I'm an admin for a Zoom call center at my school, so that's what I'm doing today. But I thought I would kind of show you what this outfit goes through today. Because it's pretty quiet this morning, I think I'm gonna do some studying. I just had breakfast, but you guys can kind of follow along with me for some studying. Today I'm going to be writing my notes for my sociology class, which is supposed to be tonight, but my professor had a medical emergency, so he just uploaded the slides, and I'll just write those down so that it goes into my brain. But I use Notability, and I just put like all of my PDF readings in here so I can just highlight through them. And then as you can see, like you can have little different like binders almost. So today I'm working on Sociology 700, which is men and masculinities in the 21st century. So I'm just gonna open up a notes page, which is just lined paper like that, and then write out my notes. You can hear my class in the background. I'm now in class. This is the class. I have my lunch here. It's just a salad. I have lettuce, just spring mix, edamame beans, 1.5 like mini avocados, and a bunch of pesto chickpeas. So hopefully this gets me through this class. Okay, I'm now going for a walk, hence the head wrap, and then I'm gonna put my coat on. The shoes that I'm wearing are my Reeboks, and this is the only pair of long socks I could find. So, okay, let's go. Super dark now. I'm just gonna end this video. Super boring day in my life, and like testing out a new outfit. I actually really liked it. I sent a picture of it to my sister and she really liked it as well. And I don't know, it was nice to kind of get out of my comfort zone a little, but not too much, and like kind of like switch things up. I felt really cute today and really like confident in the way that I looked, which is not something that I can say happens very often. That's my takeaway. Otherwise, I hope you all had an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I forgot to ask this previously, but if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. If you didn't, you suck. And if you also liked it, leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Bye.